Hello, Ngusot Nobing. Let's learn with fun. I am Themreirin Varah. Ajuvai tum class 10 mathematics week khani chapter polynomials tamgarum say. Chimata rang lakha chapter li thai khang ye basics kai kha etum majungrum say. Remake up the algebraic expressions wimram li tum majugra. Hili tum terms chika khigla factors chika khigla coefficients kala like and unlike terms chiga ki jimajukra kala polynomials chiga khikhala degree of a polynomial, value of a polynomial, zeros of a polynomial hibing hi tamurum right how boko say remake up the expression here ayur khni sada khaibaye algebraic expression and numerical expression kajitharan constants ping hi addition, subtraction, multiplication, mani ka division shijin laga ngarum laga kapi khai jili numerical expression hora. Chanjam sada 4 plus 9 hi constant 4 na 9 shijin laga kala addition shijin laga itum na ngarum laga kapi khai ne. This is a numerical expression. Similarly, 3 into 7 minus 2 hila numerical expression akhane. 8 by 3 plus 5 hila numerical expression akhane. Taga 15 hi numerical expression ga meaning 15 hi la numerical expression ne mathematical operator machijin lak salala 15 mang le sai jil hi la numerical expression ne okay ara algebraic expression jikhawa constant mang machijin la variables la shijin laga kala mathematical operations ka ja addition subtraction multiplication kala division hibing hi shijin laga ngarum laga ga bijile algebraic expression hora janjam sada x plus 3 hili constant la variable la zang dalai kala mathematical operator addition hi shijin dalai ida dang room laga bi kai hi algebraic expression ne takamai na hila algebraic expression ne hili chum x kala y variables ping hi shijin dalai kala constants khang de bin na shijin dalai kala mathematical operators ping na shijin dalai kala multiplication la shijin dalai ya takamai na hila algebraic expression ne Ara 5 hi algebraic expression ro ga numerical expression ro. First of all, 5 hi numerical expression ne je hang in thera ka 5 hi 5 into x to the power 0 da bi by x to the power 0 hi wa 1 chon ne gilla. Anything to the power 0 is 1. So 5 into x to the power 0 is actually equal to 5. So hili tum na variable zang laga la 5 hi ka bi by how gi da 5 hi la algebraic expression bapame. Okay? Ara terms of an expression chiga khigla majuk se algebraic expression akhali variables kala constants pingji multiply salaga meaning ka divide salaga kapi kahaya expression ji part chili term of the expression hoy example sada 3x plus 7 equals hili constant 3 ena variable x hi multiply salaga akhsada ga piye de lede thaga 3x hi term akhne takamena 7 akhlata la term akhne kyuwang ahi constant akhne kala constant akhlata ke pi hai de le ya hili la 2x square hi term akhne 3x hi term akhne minus 5 by x hi term akhne kala 2 hi term akhne aro hili thaigi je bawa term liver awi sign jila matter sai sign jila term li zangi jne ya expression akhwi terms pingji addition sangrok akha expression ba jong sakai gine ara yang se hi 2x square hi term akhne 3x hi term akhne minus 5 by x hi term akhne kala 2 hi term akhne athumji plus sangrok akha add sangrok akha expression ji mi ye gi okay so terms are added to form an expression all right ara expression being hi term akhamang la sabai or expression being hi hiba with other term khani la jangbai or expression being hi hiba with other term mati la jangbai or term ga thum ga jang la leibai term akhamang ga janga expression being jili monomial hoy ka term khani hai kha wa chigitha expression jili binomial hora kala term ga thumaya kha chigitha expression jili trinomial hora okay kala term mati kala mati li langa ka or general salaga na term akha kala akhli langa ka polynomial do hobai ka polynomial hi thumna mathamai da define solution ara factors of a term jiga khili khang chanjam sa dai tum na expression a khuyol se hili term a khuyos 2x square hiwi factor sping term hiwi factor sping che khawa term hili divide sa ka ba ya constant labai variable labai kutong ji term hiwi factor ne chanjam sa da hili 2 na divide sa bai tha ga 2 ila term hiwi factor ne x square na la divide sa bai tha ga x square la term hiwi factor ne well x na la divide sa bai tha ga x ila term hiwi factor ne okay ara term a hui factor hi numerical factors kala algebraic factors ta khai bai numerical factors ping jiwa constants ping ji numerical factors ra algebraic factors ping nawa variables ping ji algebraic factors ra hi example hili 2 hi numerical factor ne kala x square la kala x la algebraic factors ne okay term a hi awi factors ping wi product sa da ka pi pai jena 2x square hi awi factors ke je 2 na x square wi product sa da ka pi pai aga 2x square sho ga ya ta ka mai na 3x wi factors ping kirak la jiga 3a na x ra kala term ba hi awi factor wi product sa da ka pi pai jiga 3 into x da ka pi pai 3x okay and so on ara factors of an algebraic expression jiga khi thaka algebraic expression ba jili divide sa by expression gtong ji factors of the algebraic expression ne chanjam sa da algebraic expression a khyo se ali hi ga da ga bi by hi x common ku jog laga 3x plus 5 da ga bi by che na itu na thai ja algebraic expression by li x na la divide sa by kala 3x plus 5 na la divide sa by thaka x ila 3x square plus 5x wi factor ne kala 3x plus 5 ila 3x square plus 5x wi factor ne okay arila 2x square minus 6x plus 4 hi 2 common ku shok laga x square minus 3x plus 2 da ka bi hai bai thagai thum na thai je 2 hi na ali divide sa bai dale taga mai na x square minus 3x plus 2 na la ali divide sa bai dale chidau gi da 2 hi la algebraic expression hi factor ne kala x square minus 3x plus 2 hi la algebraic expression hi bawi factor ne okay then now the algebraic expression ha hi factorize sa log ja tam dharan hiwi mong ina ka kapi our factors ping product aka sa da ka kapi chira sa log ji ne are coefficients coefficiency numerical coefficients la khai bai general coefficients la khai bai numerical coefficients che khawa term akhawi constant factor bajili numerical coefficient hoy chena 2x square wi numerical coefficient wa 2 ra ara minus 6x square la term akhne hi wi numerical coefficient wa thaga minus 6 ra alright takamai na hilila numerical coefficient ji 2 ra hilila numerical coefficient ji minus 3 ra hili numerical coefficient ji 4 ra and so on ka general coefficient je khawa chanjam sa deina x square wi coefficient kirakla jiga 2 ne da hangbai ka chanjam sa da term hili x wi coefficient hanglo je khawa x wi coefficient jiwa 2x re gijilla jiga x hili 2x na multiply sa la ka term hi shok payomo chena coefficient of x in this case is 2x similarly chanjam sa da term hi bai khuyang sai hili z wi coefficient hanglo jiga 2y square re 2y square na z li multiply sa ka term hi shok payola yang chena 2y square hi z wi general coefficient ne ara term hili y square wi coefficient wa kya kara 2z re kyuwang 2z na y square li multiply sa ka term hi shok pai ya arila example a khuli se term hi ba hili z wi coefficient kirak le jiga minus 3z re minus 3z na z li multiply ka sa tam term hi shok pai chena minus 3z hi z wi coefficient re gijilla alright ara like terms jiga khi terms ping athumwi algebraic factors ping jing rai cha da le kha chigitha terms ping jili like terms hoye athangi thum numerical factors jiga khi kala algebraic factors jiga khi gi tamai re ara example kui say 5xy in a 7xy 5xy wi algebraic factors ping jiwa x in a y ne takamai na 7xy wi algebraic factors ping jila x in a y ne chena a new algebraic factors chin rai ja hogi da 5xy na 7xy hi like terms ne or 2x square y and a minus 5yx square here and say 2x square y we algebraic factors being jiva x square and a y ne kala minus 5yx square we algebraic factors being jina y and a x square ne taugida ani khni ni we algebraic factors chi x square la jang tu de kala y la jang de ngai cha tu ye jilla jena ani hi la like terms for pamra ka 3x and a 3 liver algebraic factors chi mangai cha mane chi taugida hi unlike terms ne takamina 9xy and 11xy square lila algebraic factors pingji mangai cha mane chuwang ena ani hi la unlike terms ne ara like terms pingwa add sang rok pai kala subtract sang rok pai ka unlike terms pingwa masang rok pai mane chanjam sada 5xy na 7xy hi like terms ne jera ga ni jiwa add sang rok pai ra add sang se daga 5 plus 7 12 kala xy to yogi da xy ida da add sabai arila 2x square y na minus 5yx square hi like terms to yogi da ani subtract la sang rok pai daga subtract sang se daga minus minus hi plus ng saura daga 2 plus 5 is 7 and x square y to yogi da x square y da be by order khang dei mane ka factors ping rai jaogi da ida da be by ara unlike terms wa 3x plus 3 jolo terms kani unlike terms ne thaiga ani wa plus ma sabai da 3x plus 3 da lebo bomra takamaina 9xy na 11xy square hi subtract ma sang ro primary ani ngai ja da lebo bomra 9xy minus 11xy square da lebo bomra gishne okay ara polynomials we maram ni tamse polynomials siva algebraic expression baba mayala ka awili special ka sakhale khigla jika variables being we exponent ji giva awi power being ji non negative integers phalungra non negative integers chikava 0 1 2 3 and so on being likhang ne kala itumna notice sat later ja hibing hiva whole numbers sare ya jena non negative integers ka jukla whole numbers ka jina ya jena algebraic expression being we variables being we power g whole number serve lungra kajine example asa 2x plus 5 hi variable x ne awi power g 1 ne kala 1 hi whole number ne so 2x plus 1 is a polynomial takamaina hilila variable being we power being g whole number sare variable being we power g whole number sare awida hila polynomial ne 5 hi polynomial meaning ra athangi thumna hangai ra 5 hi 5 e can be written as 5 into x to the power 0 and x to the power 0 li x with power g 0 ne hila whole number ne thaga 5 x to the power 0 is also a polynomial that means 5 is also a polynomial hina khangba wa constant gtong hila polynomial ne ta itum shan kui bai ara 7 pi x square plus 2x yang se x with power hi hili 2 ne ta thaidale hili x to power hi 1 ne thaidale thaga hi polynomial meraw yang ka hi polynomial ne q1 kala jika x square hi wa denominator li leida khlenda chena kutong hi numerator li high blungi ne ya 7 by x square hi 7 into x to the power minus 2 da kabi bai kala plus 2x taigar x to the power g minus 2 er de thaga whole number meaning thura thaga hi polynomial meaning mane hili na thing sak ngai bawa 1 by x to the power 3 da le saga hi x to the power minus 3 nang rai jai kju khlat bawa x to exponent g 3 meaning ne kha x to exponent g minus 3 ne okay taga maina 1 by x to the power 5 da le saga taga this can be written as x to the power minus 5 aru la example la khui se hili x with power g positive sar ji thayang ka root x ka ji hi wa ka jang khat wa x to the power 1 by 2 jinda kala 1 by 2 hi wa whole number meaning ne ji thaugi da hila polynomial meaning ne cube root of x hi x to the power 1 by 3 da ga bi by fourth root of x hila x to the power 1 by 4 da ga bi by jena higita expression hi ithumi algebraic expression ji lizang sa kha algebraic expression ni ping ji polynomial meaning lak mar ji ne now zero polynomial ji ga khili khang zero polynomial ji ga 0 li khang ne simply 0 li zero polynomial hoye ya constant polynomial ji ga khili khang aru ithum na 5 bui k square yang hi tha constant pingjili constant polynomial hoi chamsa -3 la constant polynomial ne 17 hi la constant polynomial ne and so on ara polynomials ping hi kata da represent sakla jine let's take one polynomial this one ara hi variable akhajang dale kido x ne thaga hi polynomial p in variable x ta ka p bai okay nana p ma shi itum na p ma shi jin ngai la p wim hut s la shi jin by sx ta la represent sa by or rx ta la represent sa by mani ka qx ta la represent sa by ka kaim len ka itum na polynomial jogi da starting letter ji p sau gi da p shi jin with me okay khang dai bing na shi jin by sare hi bai liver variable ji x and z chang le aga awi ka p ra ji ta da represent sa la ji ka polynomial in variable x and z the represent sare takamena hibaili polynomial in variable x y and z the represent sare x la y la kala z la sangogida hibai nava polynomial in variable y the represent sare degree of a polynomial jiga ki polynomial jiwi variable being wing chaili highest power jili degree of a polynomial hoye chanjam sada x plus 3 hili variable ji x ne awi power ji 1 ne thaga awi degree hi 1 ra hiliwa variable ba awi power chung mai thui ji ba ji 2 ne thaga awi degree ji 2 ra thaga mai na hili chung mai thui ji degree ji 3 ne thaga degree ji 3 ra hiba hiliwa chung mai thui ji power ji 3 ba mai variable hu ya ji da hoge da hila degree ji 3 ba bam ra ara hiba hili waga thara degree 4 la manim ne kyuwang na jiga hiba hiwa polynomial manim ne ya athang itumna mujung rum gai jili 5 by x to the power 4 jiwa 5 into x to the power minus 4 ta ga bi nang rai jaw gi da minus 4 hi whole number manim tu ga da hiwa polynomial manim ne okay jena degree with question moral im ne hilia all right degree of a polynomial ji 1 sa sa ka polynomial ji li linear polynomial hoye degree ji 2 sa sa ka jikta polynomial ji li quadratic polynomial hora kala degree ji 3 sa sa ka jikta polynomial ji li cubic polynomial hoye okay ara value of a polynomial ji ka khigla ji ka x with value aka sang la ka polynomial be value kya shok rakhla ka ji je ji li value of a polynomial hoye chansa the x with value hi 2 sang ngaus thaka value of the polynomial will be represented by p2 x with value 2 sang with the x term sang lara x with value 2 sang gi ne laga x ta jang da khlek tong ji li 2 na replace sa thaka value kyak shok tale this is 8 plus 6 minus 5 so answer 9 shok tale thaka x equals to 2 li polynomial ba with value ji 9 re gi ne simple are 0 of a polynomial 0 of a polynomial ji ka variable ba with value ji ki sang ka value of the polynomial ji 0 ng saur kle ji ne chanjam sa da polynomial px ji 5x minus 15 ne da khos daga x with value ki sang ka 5x minus 15 hi 0 ng saur kle ji la daga x with value 3 sang sai daga 5 times 3 15 15 minus 15 0 aka 3 hili 0 of the polynomial hoi ji arila example a khuise x square minus 3x ili x with value ki sangka polynomial ba with value is 0 nga saura x with value 0 sang se daga 0 square is 0 minus 3 times 0 is 0 so polynomial value is 0 shok to le 0 hila 0 of this polynomial daga itum 0 of a polynomial ka da pha bai ra je ka ba just simply equate px to 0 or here case cos px equals to 0 the equate sao se jila px ki do 5x minus 15 equal to 0 source laga x with value pause laga this will give you 5x equals to 15 and x equals to 15 by 5 which is equals to 3 shok tale yang the 0 of a polynomial ji hi wera in phapai ara itum na lower class li tam ga hai splitting middle term revise sa se splitting middle term hi kajik thali shin khla jika quadratic polynomial shijinra kala kyuwang shijinra kala jika factorize sakwai wang shijinra now polynomial quadratic polynomial a khyo say awi terms pingji 2x square minus 7x kala 6 ne ara splitting middle term gju khlatwa middle term ba hi ngai khayau lo kala factorize salo gujine ka thadang kai khai rakla jikha kai kai khani ji room akha minus 7x shoki ji kala ani ji multiply sa khava ani ji multiply sa khava 2x square into 6 shoki ji 2x square into 6 gi ju khlatwa 12x square shoki gi ya thaka middle term ba hi term khani na ka thada split sa pai rakla ji phashok khwai hi 12 by equals a laga chili prime factorize house 2 2 kala 3 ara hi combination sa laga term khani sem kui say so that aning room akha minus 7 shoki je kala multiply sa ga 12 shoki je ya obviously multiply sa ga 12 shok thon thung ra khmain ka ji hi bing hi 12 prime factorization sau gi da ka ka thada aning room laga minus 7 shok pai rakla ji phajim shok sai then ara 2 times 2 by equal ga 4 le de le kala 3 equals ngai da thaga term khani shokai ra ani ji plus sa ga minus 7 shok pai de le okay 4 mu khila minus 4 ba equals hila 3 mu khila minus 3 equals ani jing room no minus 4 ina minus 3 room ka minus 7 shok de le de thaga middle term by split ka sa hi minus 4x ina minus 3x the split sa bai ani multiply sa ka 12x square shok tale kala aning room akha minus 7x shok tale okay chili splitting middle term hoye ara polynomial ba hi ka da bi bai ra 2x square je laga minus 7x ji split sa laga minus 4x minus 3x ta bi bai ra plus 6 this equals to ara term khani hi equals laga jili common ki mai le khui se so 2x is common ne so x minus 2 taira term khani hi lakhi common khui pai minus 3 common khu shok pai 6 li la minus 3 divide sa bai yogi da ha ki daira x minus 2 daira minus 3 into minus 2 is plus 6 okay ara hili x minus 2 hili x minus 2 jang le de x minus 2 hi common khu shok lo se tha hili x 2x daira kala hili minus 3 daira thaga 2x square minus 7x plus 6 ji thumna factorize sa laga x minus 2 into 2x minus 3 da kapi bai hai regila hili factorization using splitting middle term method hoye okay ara zeros of a polynomial kajiwi geometric meaning or graphical meaning khikla mujungum sai athang zeros of a polynomial jiga khikla hangai re ya polynomial akhawi variable ju value ji sangakha polynomial value 0 shokta leka variable power value jili 0 of the polynomial hora linear polynomial akha khui say 2x plus 3 hi graphly itum plot sause daga 2x plus 3 we curve hi katha da plot sarak la jika x we value khuyang lo laga polynomial we value ji phashok lo daga x we value minus 2 khuyang sai daga polynomial value ji minus 1 shokra daga mena x we value 2 khuyadam tharan polynomial we value ji 7 shokra ara hi graph paper li plot house x we value minus 2 khuiga y we value jiga polynomial value ji minus 1 shokai ra kala x we value ji 2 khuiga y we value ji 7 shokai ra ya ani ji join ga satam tharan straight line shok tele de kala straight line ba hina x axis li point akhli intersect sa dele kala point intersect sa ji we value ji coordinates ping ji khenga tam tharan y we value ji 0 shok tale y we value 0 shok gi ji khlat pawa value of the polynomial ji 0 ne gi dila ya kala ji corresponding x we value ji wa minus 3 by 2 dila daga minus 3 by 2 hi actually 0 of the polynomial ne gi dila ka khlat pawa hili x we value minus 3 by 2 sang ni ja px we value hi 0 shok re gi dila okay chena polynomial a hi graphly plot ka sa dam tharan graph china x axis li intersect sa da khlaya pamji chabam jili chiwi corresponding x we value ji 0 of the polynomial ne gi ne ya chena x axis li graph china kya khachi da intersect sa khala gi wa ji shu da polynomial ba wi 0 kya khale rakhla gi thai bai ari lai thumna quadratic polynomial wi yang se ara quadratic polynomial a cos px equals to x square minus 3x minus 4 ara hiwi graph itumna plot ka sa tam tharan x axis li points khani li intersect sadale ka khlat power quadratic polynomial hiwi wang 0 khani leire exitla ya kala 0 bingji khimera kala jika hiwi x axis li intersect sada khlai point jiwi x coordinate baji chibaji 0 re exitla taga -1 ena 4 hi -1 ena 4 hi na polynomial jiwi 0 re okay so zeros khani leidale khina case khre case ne graph chi plot salaga x axis li points khani li intersect sadale ka polynomial jiwi 0 khani leira case 2 hili graph china x axis li point akhmang li intersect sadale ka polynomial jiwi 0 akhmang leira kajine case ka thuma baliwa polynomial ji plot salaga x axis li intersect masalak madle ka ya plot salaga x axis li intersect masalak madle ka 0 male lak mar jilla aga 0 of the polynomial ji mangwa mar jine okay ara ka thuma case yang se ka thuma case cubic polynomial wi wang yang se cubic polynomial hui se graph plot sa tam tharan hida ta shokra itum na theba ija x axis li point guthum li intersect sadale ki points maili intersect sagla jiga x value ji -2 kala 0 kala 2 hibing li intersect sadale daga -2 0 and 2 hibing hina cubic polynomial hiwi 0 sping ne chena hida da x axis li point guthum li intersect saugi da 3 zeros of the polynomial ledale ara case ka khniali graph china x axis li point akhmang li intersect sadale ka cubic polynomial ba with 0 ja akhmang lera kala case ka thumali point khani li intersect sadale ka 0 of the polynomial 0 of the cubic polynomial ji khani mang lera jine ya ara itumna case ka thum khui kai li itumna notice ka sa khawa cubic polynomial sa sa kha awi zeros of the polynomial ji chungmai thuida ka thum sabai quadratic polynomial sa sa kha awi zeros of the polynomial ji chungmai thuida khani sabai kala linear polynomial sa sa kha awi 0 of the polynomial ji chungmai thuida akha sabai ya jene thumna theba ija polynomial akha hi degree n sa sa kha awi graph chi plot ka sadam tharan x axis li chungmai thuida n number of points li intersect sabai kala polynomial pawi number of zeros chi chungmai thuida n number of zeros le sare ijne okay himam lailo hi important sala kai statement akhane ara exercise itum ktiam no khayang se graph li yang laga polynomial bawi number of zeros kya kharakla identify sa log jine ya first graph pa hili graph chi x axis li intersect masalak thugi da awi number of polynomials chi 0 ra kakhne pa hili wa graph china x axis li apama mang ni intersect sadale aga number of zeros 1 mang le ra kakthuma graph hili polynomial with graph china x axis li point guthum ni intersect sadale Taka number of zeros of this polynomial will be 3. Here graph pa hilina x axis li point khani li intersect sadale. Taka number of zeros of this polynomial will be 2. Similarly, hili graph in a point mati li x axis li intersect sadale. Taka number of zeros will be 4. And similarly, here graph in a x axis li kuthum li intersect sadale. Therefore, number of zeros will be 3. It's very simple. Well guys, that's all for today. Itumna polynomial chapter hi part 2 hi next video li tamurum re. Ina shit sang ngai je na thumwi wang kan khana video ang sa da le re. Na thumna video hi ning jang ka like samilo share samilo ka lai channel subscribe samilo. See you in my next video. Until then, keep learning with fun.